No matter where you live, what country you are from, what you look like, what you are studying, who you love, or what you believe, you're welcome here at CWRU, and we can't wait for everyone to be back again.
International students bring new thoughts and a different way of thinking that enriches our campus community and helps connect us to many other cultures. Even while we're here at home, you are still welcome here at CWRU.
On behalf of Student Activities and Leadership at Case Western Reserve University,
you are welcome here.
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 You are welcome here at CWRU, and our community would not be the same without you.
I so badly want you to know that you are welcome here. You are worthy, you are welcome, and we are so glad you're here.
On behalf of Chinese Christian Student Fellowship,
you are
welcome
here.
Case Western Reserve University.
我们代表华人基督徒学生团契，
欢迎你来到
凯斯。
This is Dean Michael Scharf. To our international students, your American classmates and the law school faculty know that the coronavirus has been especially difficult for you. We admire your strength and courage. We care about you deeply, and we are here for support.
Together we will make it through this crisis. Please stay safe and healthy.
Internationalization is a huge part of who we are as a Case Western Reserve University community. You are welcome here, and I can't wait to see you all back on campus.
On behalf of the CWRU
Center for Engineering Action,
you are welcome here.
International students of Case Western Reserve University, we're so grateful to have you as part of our campus community. And on behalf of all members of Student Success, you are welcome here at CWRU.
You are welcome here at CWRU, and we value the unique experience and life perspective that you bring to our campus.
I've been an international student myself, and I know how important it is to feel welcomed. And I just want you to know, you're welcome here. Тебе здесь рады.
We are the Mandel School, and all are welcome here.
I'm Evelyn Adkins from the Department of Classics, and whether you can read this, or this, or whether it's all Greek to you, you are welcome here at CWRU.
No matter where you're from, I want you to know you're welcome at Case Western Reserve. We are glad you're a part of our family. 凯斯西楚大学欢迎你.
To every member of the Case Law community and the Case community at large, you are welcome here.
My name is Gene Sasso, and I'm proud to say you are welcome here at Case Western Reserve University. I've been in higher ed for over 10 years as an instructor and a staff member, and I can tell you, some of the greatest joys I've had on the campus have been in the service of international students. I've seen the pride, I've seen the perseverance, I've seen the dedication, and I've seen the big compliment culturally, socially, and lots of other ways in a classroom and on a campus. So I'm happy to say you are welcome here at Case Western Reserve University. I look forward to seeing you back on campus real soon.
We all need to feel a sense of belonging, a place where we feel like it's home or that we are welcomed. And at Case Western Reserve University, this is a place where you truly are at home. So from Education Abroad, we want to say to you, welcome home. You are welcomed here.
We are from the Weatherhead School of Management, Classroom Technology and Facilities Department, and we wanted to let you know you are welcome here, CWRU.
We appreciate all of our students from around the world. Even though we can't be together on campus right now, we're always united as a CWRU community, and you are an important part of that community.
Hi, my name is Hershon, Vice Provost and University Librarian, and you are always welcome at the Kelvin Smith Library. You are home to knowledge.
I just wanted to make sure that you know you're welcome here at Case Western Reserve University, and that we support you. So take care. You are welcome here.
My name is Elizabeth Bowman, and I'm chair of the Department of Art History and Art here at Case Western Reserve University. I spent most of the last 25 years working on projects in Egypt, on Coptic projects or Christian Egyptian projects, including on the church that you see behind me on the screen. And doing this project made me realize even more than I already had how much I appreciate knowing people from other countries, and how much I appreciate those of you from our international community who come to Case Western Reserve University and enrich our community. Thank you.
We support students abroad and at home here in Cleveland.
I'm Adolfo with the Center for International Affairs, and you are welcome here.
CWRU, you are welcome here.
We are the Judge Ben C. Green Law Library, and
you
are welcome here.
Thanks for being with us.
You are
welcome
here.
Case
Western
Reserve
University.
From the University Registrar's Office. You are
welcome
here.
You are unique, you are important, and you are welcome here.
Hello, my name is David Fleschler, the Vice Provost for International Affairs. While we're all scattered everywhere around the world, we know we're one big, diverse Case Western Reserve community. And we also know that you are welcome here.